Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. It's happy mail time. The special mail comes from Melissa by Mimi with Love. Melissa is one of my favorite crafters. She is adorable. I love watching her channel. She makes the most beautiful journals. They have the most fun collaborations with another friend of hers and one of my favorite crafters as well, Melody by Melody Made. So I'm excited to see what Melissa sent me. She has also handwritten a little greeting here. It says happy birthday and there's a little heart. So let's open it up. As always, I will be linking any channels that I have mentioned, and I will put Melissa's channel down below. Make sure to check it out. They have she has so many fun crafty ideas and collaborations as well. They have bingo with us, collage with us, all the fun stuff. So she has also joined some of my other challenges last year, so I'll link that at the end. Oh my gosh, I see a fox. See guys, from the get-go, you can already tell how amazing Melissa's crafting is, but let me just pull this out. Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh, that's another fox. So Melissa and Melody are a crafting duo, and they are my favorite foxy butterflies, actually trio, correction, because there's Annie Creates as well. And look at this. She has shared this beautiful towelette with the mushrooms. I love that spring feel and that cute fox. But let's first look at this gorgeous card that she made me. Love the spring vibes. Look at the texture and layers. I see some like little glimmers of shimmeries here. And on the back, it says Mimi 2022. Love that little googly eyes and that bow. So let me read this real quick. Thank you so much, Melissa. I just wanted to show you. She didn't write in the card, but she does have a separate note here. But look what it says. Just a note, you don't look a day over fabulous. How adorable is that? And she has her little business card here by Mimi with Love, Melissa Davis. And then she has also an Etsy shop, so if you want to check that out, I'll link it all below. Look at this beautiful fox little notepad that she also used for her note. I'm going to put this on the side so we can unveil what is underneath here. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I hear something there. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. Let me just put this over here. Oh my gosh, Melissa, I love it. If you haven't seen her flip throughs of some of the amazing mini albums and creations, journal creations she's made with her Singe machine that I have yet to use, oh my gosh, this is so inspiring. Where do I begin? Oh my gosh, and there's more goodies underneath. Let's start with what is under there. And I will start with this ATC card that she has made me. How beautiful is this? I love it. There are micro mini beads for the shaker. We have the beautiful foxes, and she's did some stitching. We have the spring theme, and look at that adorable dangle here. And inside are micro beads. They are teeny tiny. Oh my gosh, they are tiny. On the back as some information. So Melissa's YouTube and Instagram is by Mimi with Love. Her favorites are Pink Girly, all crafting styles, and her birthday was April 7th. So belated happy birthday, Melissa. And her pom-pom or Pomeranian pet is Sadie Mae. And the title of this ATC is Foxy. I love that. That is perfect. So if you're not familiar with ATC cards, they are artist trading cards. And look at this piece of art. This is so gorgeous. In addition to that, she's also made me a mini pocket letter. Again, with the wonderful fox theme. I'm a big fan of foxes. It says, do I have to adult today? That's hilarious. And then we have this beautiful little paper clip with the butterfly. I love that finish there. Love this. I just want to show you, we have a little dangle here with our fox, and look at the washi that she's used here. This is so cute. I love it. And then on the flip side, oh my gosh, she's also included some cute little goodies. I see some tickets here. Let's pull that out and have a look. She's included some washi sample and a ticket. Beautiful paper, Melissa. Let me know which paper pad that is. She's also included some of these stickers. Woodland creatures. Oh, these are so cute. I love that. And then underneath we have a cute little raccoon, and it looks like a little sticky note or page flag. Or no, it's not. It's a chipboard. That is so cute. And we have this cute sticker of a fox. Hold on one sec. I'm just trying to get it out. Let me just flip this guy so you can see what that fox looks like. How adorable is that? So this is her mini pocket letter. Now let's have a look at this beautiful, oh my gosh, journal that she's made me. How amazing is this dangle, first of all? She has included some really beautiful elements here with the tassel, the scrappy fabric. It has the letter C. Oh my gosh. Look at this adorable frog. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And then we have a little book with yet another beautiful charm of a fox. Look at this mini journal. Oh my goodness, this is super mini. That is beautiful. I love it. And this one came off. I just wanted to show you. So I'm not really sure where it belongs, but I love this idea. How cute is that mushroom? We have our mushrooms on the back. So I'll put that there, and we are going to open this up. She has a little elastic trim here. On the cover, check out that fox and the owls. I love all the elements. She did some distressing over there. Beautiful side tuck here. Make it great. Look at the stitching. And our beautiful fox. This is so beautiful. And then another side tuck with all the minis. How cute are these tags? Little bird's nest, perfect for spring. Oh my gosh. I love the pine cone and the acorn there too. Look at this tab. Again, if you are new to journaling or you love making journals, look at these beautiful ideas you can pick up from. How fun is this? I love how you attach this, and it has a little dangle there. That is so pretty for a tab. We have a pocket here. That is so fun. Oh, there's an Edith Holden page here. Little flip out with that cute little squirrel. I love that. And there it says white daisies. Oh my gosh. Again, I love the artistry and all the fun stuff you've added here. This is a playing card that she used underneath. That is so pretty. Hope you guys can see that. Here we go. Little tight tuck spot and a journaling spot here. Isn't that pretty with the ladybug? Oh my gosh, so cute. That is super fun. We have this. I love the texture of this. Very boho little pocket. That is awesome. This is the first time I've seen this paper, so Melissa, let me know where you got it. She's made a wax seal. Little flip up there for writing. Another pocket. Just amazing work. Oh my gosh, guys. And look at this window pocket. Oh wow. You can open it. Little journaling spot. Front and back. That's so cool. This looks like it's been tea dyed or coffee dyed. Amazing. Look at how small that is. That is a memory deck, a Rolodex card. That is so cool. We have this paper, wax paper, I think. Love this. Here's a pocket on. And what is this? An old advertisement. Oh my gosh. How fun is that? That's true vintage piece. And here's our cute bunny. A little tuck with a vintage photo. How fun. And a little scrappy notepad. I love it. Wow. Put that back in there. Again, this is so fun to flip through and just see how Melissa made this. Okay, I'm a little excited, so I'm just going to put that down. She has a little tuck spot with some miniature cards. Look at how tiny these cards are. Isn't that cute? I love that. We have another pocket. Oh wow. Something to write on. That is amazing. Put that back in a few. So many fun ideas. I love the tucks, the pockets. I'm a big, when it comes to my journals, I love pockets where I can hide things and keep things. And look at this dangle, guys. Oh, I know, this is where this belongs. I see a little spot here missing a piece, so I think that just got a little loose from the postal, the way they handle the mail. So this is where that piece belongs. How beautiful is that? Little bead. Love the eyelash trim there. And then on the flip side, we have yet again another beautiful pocket with a ticket. I just love it. Look at this. Is this an accordion? Oh, it's a flip out. And then there's a pocket with the journal card. That is so pretty. Is that Tigger's tail? That is so cute. And then in here, well, I really love how you included these wonderful pieces here. Isn't that precious? Oh my gosh. Thank you for sharing that with me. Let me just put that back in. She was pretty. And then this will flip over. And there he is, Winnie the Pooh. Oh, how cute. It's a napkin that she's decoupage. I love the stitching. There's Piglet. Aw, I love Winnie the Pooh too. And then we have this part with our gorgeous dough. More of the miniature tags. Bird seeds, that's so fun. We open this up. I love the interactiveness of this journal. Every little piece has something to be written on. Another pocket in here. We have a playing card. That is so cool. I love the nature theme to this as well. And look at this beautiful playing card. I love the topiary, is so pretty. Another big vintage ad. That is so cool. And look at this fabric. Love the textures. Beautiful tab. This is so Melissa. I love this. Look at that. So playful. Oh, how cute. we have another pocket here. Cute little sky. I love teal blue. Oh my gosh. It flips out. And then we have another flip for our writing space. How fun is that? Oh my gosh. And on the back, another tuck spot. This might, oh, that's a pocket, mini pocket there. Love the paper collaging here. And this is the back. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Thank you so much, Melissa. Here's another look at this beautiful entry from Melissa by Mimi with love. Thank you so much. I am so amazed at your artistry and your creativity, and I am so in love with this journal and all the wonderful items that you have gifted me. Again, guys, make sure to check out Melissa's channel and all of the wonderful ladies that have joined my birthday giveaway challenge. All their channels will be linked in the giveaway playlist. So if you like to watch and see what they've created, I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. Again, thanks for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.